Ever heard of that magical potion called castor oil? Yes, the very same oil that your grandmother might have suggested for a plethora of your health and beauty woes. This isn't just any ordinary oil. Originating from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, predominantly found in tropical regions, castor oil has been a part of traditional wellness practices for centuries. In the olden days, it was considered a panacea, a remedy for all ailments. It was used to soothe irritated skin, boost hair health, and even as a digestive aid. The magic of castor oil lies in its unique chemical composition, rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. But castor oil isn't just a thing of the past. Its benefits continue to be revered in our modern world, with science backing many of its traditional uses. Today we delve into the 10 fascinating benefits of this wonder oil. Boost your immunity with castor oil. This humble oil, derived from the castor bean plant, is packed with unique compounds that can give your immune system a natural boost. One of the main ways castor oil enhances your immune function is by stimulating your lymphocytes, the body's disease-fighting cells. These warriors of the immune system are responsible for attacking and eliminating pathogens that make you sick, like bacteria and viruses. Castor oil also promotes the production of a special kind of white blood cell called a T lymphocyte. These cells are vital in supporting your immune system, helping it to respond quickly and effectively to invading microbes. This can result in fewer illnesses and faster recovery times when you do get sick. In addition to this, castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body, another key factor in maintaining a strong immune system. So, for an immunity booster, consider castor oil. Want radiant, glowing skin? Castor oil might be your answer. This natural wonder is packed with fatty acids, notably ricinoleic acid, which helps to lock in skin's natural moisture while also promoting hydration. It's like a refreshing drink of water for your skin. But the wonders of castor oil don't stop there. It also boasts powerful anti-aging properties. Its antioxidants fight off the damaging effects of free radicals, which are often the culprits behind premature aging and wrinkles. So, with regular use of castor oil, you're not only hydrating your skin, but also defending it against the hands of time. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties come to the rescue for those dealing with skin conditions like acne or eczema, soothing irritation and reducing redness. So if you're seeking a natural, effective way to boost your skin's health and appearance, castor oil could be your secret weapon. For skin that speaks of health, think castor oil. Say goodbye to hair woes with castor oil. This golden elixir is a secret weapon for promoting hair growth and improving hair health. It's packed with rich nutrients like vitamin E, proteins, and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy scalp and hair. Castor oil works its magic by nourishing the scalp and strengthening the roots. It penetrates deep into the scalp and helps to smooth out rough hair cuticles, making your hair softer and less prone to breakage. But that's not all. Castor oil also has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help combat scalp infections that prevent hair growth. Plus, its high antioxidant content supports the keratin in hair, making it stronger, smoother, and shinier. Incorporating castor oil into your hair care routine is simple. Just massage a few drops into your scalp, leave it on for a few hours or overnight, and then wash it off. For luscious locks that turn heads, add castor oil to your hair care routine. Ease your arthritis pain with castor oil. That's right, folks. This amazing substance has been used for millennia to quell the discomfort associated with joint inflammation. But how does it work, you might ask? Well, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid that possesses analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, this acid penetrates the skin and gets to work, relieving pain and reducing inflammation. Now imagine a life where you can move freely, unhindered by the constant nagging pain of arthritis. That's the potential power of castor oil. It's not a magic potion, of course, but it could be a helpful ally in your battle against arthritis pain. It's important to remember, though, that everyone is different and results can vary. So, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. For pain-free joints and mobility, turn to castor oil. Experience the gentle relief of castor oil. This unassuming oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is a potent natural laxative. But how does it work, you may ask? It's all in the chemistry. Castor oil contains a compound called ricinoleic acid, which binds to the muscle cells in the intestinal walls. This binding process stimulates contractions, aiding in the movement of stool through the intestines. But it's not just about relief from constipation. Castor oil can improve overall digestive health too. Its lubricating properties help soften stool, making its passage smoother and less painful. Regular use can assist in reducing the risk of piles and anal fissures, common issues associated with chronic constipation. Remember, like any natural remedy, moderation is key. Overuse can lead to side effects such as cramping or diarrhea. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new regime. For a smooth digestive system, castor oil might be the solution. Aid in wound healing with the power of castor oil. This natural remedy has been used for centuries to promote the healing process and reduce scarring. The secret lies in its unique composition. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. When applied to wounds, these properties work in tandem to protect the area from bacterial infections, which could otherwise impede the healing process. Simultaneously, the oil's emollient nature helps to keep the wound moist, promoting faster healing and reducing the likelihood of scarring. Moreover, castor oil stimulates the growth of new cells, speeding up the healing process and ensuring that the new skin that forms is healthy and strong. And as a bonus, it also helps in reducing pain and discomfort associated with wounds. So, whether you're dealing with a minor cut or a more significant wound, castor oil can be a helpful ally in your recovery. For quick and efficient wound healing, consider castor oil. Reduce inflammation naturally with castor oil. Nature's potent remedy, castor oil, is packed with anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders for various health conditions. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that exerts powerful anti-inflammatory effects. When applied topically, castor oil can help to alleviate discomfort and redness associated with inflammation. This makes it a go-to natural remedy for conditions like arthritis, back pain, and rheumatism. But that's not all. Because of its anti-inflammatory nature, castor oil can also be beneficial for skin conditions such as acne, dermatitis, and psoriasis, helping to soothe the skin and reduce inflammation. Moreover, its anti-inflammatory properties extend to the digestive system as well. Consuming castor oil can help to reduce inflammation in the gut, providing relief from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or gastritis. So next time you're looking for a natural, effective way to combat inflammation, remember this. For a natural anti-inflammatory solution, think castor oil. Fend off fungal infections with castor oil. Now, when we say fungus, we're not talking about the mushrooms in your salad. We're referring to those pesky, unwelcome guests that can cause ailments like athlete's foot, ringworm, and yeast infections. So how does castor oil come into play? It's simple. Castor oil contains undesolenic acid, a potent antifungal agent. When applied to the affected area, this oil can help to inhibit the growth of the fungus, providing relief from the associated discomfort and itchiness. But wait, there's more. Castor oil also possesses moisturizing properties that can help to soothe dry, irritated skin often associated with fungal infections. And if you're worried about the safety of using castor oil for such purposes, fear not. It's generally considered safe for topical application. However, as with any treatment, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. To keep fungal infections at bay, consider castor oil. Sleep like a baby with the help of castor oil. Castor oil, a natural remedy used for centuries, has been found to promote better sleep. But how does it do this, you may ask? Well, the secret lies in its unique chemical structure. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When applied topically, it can help soothe the muscles and nerves, creating a relaxing effect on the body. This relaxation can lead to a deeper, more restful sleep. Moreover, castor oil can help balance your body's biochemistry. It aids in the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. By supporting the natural rhythm of the body, castor oil can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And there's more. Castor oil's soothing properties can also help alleviate symptoms of insomnia and other sleep disorders. So, if you've been tossing and turning at night, struggling to catch those elusive Z's, castor oil might be worth a try. For a peaceful night's sleep, castor oil might be the answer. Boost your lymphatic system with castor oil. This might sound surprising, but it's true. This humble oil has remarkable benefits for the lymphatic system, that network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials. You see, the lymphatic system is crucial for our overall health. It's the body's natural detoxification mechanism, and when it's not functioning optimally, we can feel sluggish, bloated, and even fall ill more often. Castor oil, with its unique composition, can offer support to this vital system. How does it work? Castor oil can stimulate the activity of the lymphatic system, aiding in the elimination of toxins and promoting better health. It's like giving your body's cleansing system a little boost to keep it running smoothly. It's fascinating, isn't it? How a simple, natural substance like castor oil can have such a profound impact on our health. So if you're looking to enhance your body's natural detox process, don't overlook the potential of castor oil. For a healthier lymphatic system, consider castor oil. So we've explored the fascinating world of castor oil and its myriad benefits. This humble oil, extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, is a powerhouse of health benefits. From improving your immune function to supporting your skin health, castor oil has proven to be an indispensable ally. It promotes hair growth, making your locks lusher and healthier. For those suffering from arthritis pain, it offers natural relief. As a natural laxative, it aids in digestion, ensures smooth bowel movements. Castor oil also promotes wound healing, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's a potent weapon against fungal infections and a wonderful sleep enhancer. Lastly, it supports the lymphatic system, helping your body detoxify function at its best. Remember, a little castor oil can go a long way in boosting your health and beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos.